Being an inventive and one-of-a-kind token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very famous of late. Individuals are contemplating whether it merits putting resources into Nexo and what's on the horizon for this cash. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value forecast and offer why we think it is a wise speculation. Nexo overview. Made in 2018, Nexo is a cryptographic money in light of the Ethereum blockchain. It utilizes the ERC20 symbolic norm. Nexo flaunts many highlights that make it interesting and a wise venture. Here are some of them. Nexo offers moment advances to individuals who need to involve their digital forms of money as insurance. This implies you can get cash against your crypto property without selling them. Nexo has an organization with Credissimo, one of Europe's driving monetary organizations. This gives Nexo much believability and shows that it is staying put. Nexo pays interest on all stores made on their foundation. This is an incredible method for procuring automated revenue and one reason why we think Nexo is a strong speculation decision. The interest for moment credits involving digital currencies as security is developing, and Nexo is one of the unmistakable stages here. Nexo technical analysis. As indicated by verifiable information, Nexo is by all accounts a digital money with mooning potential. It answers well to crypto market changes and has sufficient gauge backing to shoot up in esteem. The Nexo token right now just has half of its absolute stock available for use. The digital money's market capitalization is, in any event, at the hour of compassing, inside the main 100 on CoinMarketCap. These things highlight Nexo having good long-haul possibilities. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed progressively. On the off chance that it is giving a purchase signal, the latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost is probably going to ascend soon. In the event that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo digital currency could go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo price prediction by experts. Nexo is one of the 100 greatest digital currencies on the planet by market cap, so it is nothing unexpected that a lot of different crypto specialists have made their own cost conjectures for this token. Here are some of them. CryptoGround.com predicts a typical gauge cost of $1.1 in a year for Nexo tokens. They accept that this computerized resource has a lot of potential, and they are bullish on its drawn-out possibilities. Right now, they anticipate that it should have a ROI of more than 850% in 5 years. WilletInvestor.com is more moderate in its Nexo gauge. This stage is negative on the token over the long haul and accepts Nexo's value worth will go beneath $0.5 in mid-2023. Advanced Coin Price guesses that Nexo will have reached $3.1 toward the finish of 2022, and they are bullish on its drawn-out possibilities. As may be obvious, there are many different Nexo cost estimates out there. Very much like with some other digital money, it really relies on how the market will feel in the next few long stretches of time. Furthermore, since Nexo is an ERC20 token, it likewise relies upon Ethereum, yet this could be something to be thankful for. After the merge, gas expenses ought to go down, making Nexo exchanges more reasonable. This could be an extraordinary lift for the token. Nexo Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Nexo will be $1.58. The most extreme level that the Nexo cost can reach is $1.78. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.64. August 2022. Nexo Price Forecast. In the center of the year 2022, the Nexo cost will be exchanged at $1.44 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to $1.51. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1.40 in August 2022. Nexo Price Forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Nexo costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022, $1.49. The most reduced and top Nexo rates may be $1.44 and $1.57. October 2022, Nexo Price Forecast. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Nexo cost will be around $1.53. In October 2022, the Nexo cost might drop to at least $1.48. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.64 in October 2022. Nexo Price Forecast for November 2022. Having dissected Nexo costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Nexo rate could arrive at a limit of $1.72 in November 2022. It may, be that as it may, drop to $1.55. For November 2022, the anticipated normal of Nexo is almost $1.59. December 2022, Nexo Price Forecast. Around mid-2022, the Nexo cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.64. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the Nexo cost could change somewhere in the range of $1.58 and $1.78. Nexo Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Nexo will be around $2.21. The greatest expected Nexo cost might be around $2.79. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $2.27 in 2023. Nexo Price Prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2024, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $3.16 and $3.81, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $3.27. Nexo Price Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Nexo and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Nexo cost could drop to $4.62, while its most extreme can reach $5.47. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $4.75. Nexo Price Prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Nexo costs are normal in 2026, $8.05 and $6.